me another deal. Give me another deal. I'll suck yo. Why do people buy on Black Friday? It really comes down to one thing, addiction. No, I'm not talking about heroin and crack and smack and Jack the Beanstalk. No, I am talking about dopamine. The entire world is addicted to dopamine, and it gets worse every year because all the apps we use on a daily basis are designed to give you little hits of dopamine. And so on Black Friday, when you see a deal that is drastically discounted, you get a rush from buying that deal. Plus, there is that fear of missing out. You don't want to miss the deal, and it drives you up a wall. And so what I'm gonna do in this video is show you 4 ways to crush it on Black Friday and how I make at least 200 grand extra net profit each and every year. I'm gonna show you the liquidation method, the extraction method, the products that don't exist method, and the ultra VIP method. First thing you have to understand about Black Friday is it's the time of year to sell things to people who wouldn't normally buy from you any other time of year. And also a great time to get people who are on the fence about your higher end products over the fence. First way to crush Black Friday is to take products you no longer sell and liquidate them for a discount. For instance, this is my Black Friday for this year right here. And what I did was I took all the courses I no longer normally sell and I bundled them all up into one offer for 97 bucks a month. Now, together, I sold these for over $24,000 when they were active. But what I did was I took the coaching element out of it, which is because we used to sell coaching and coaching calls with it. And I just put in the actual courses. And I did it for $97 a month. And as a result, boom, this is what we are currently at in sales. Let the camera focus. $48,467. Here's a quick update. So how crazy is this? From the time I filmed this video to the time it got edited for release, this is where we are at in monthly recurring revenue for this thing. That is how crazy it has gone. Now listen, I don't sell these programs anymore. They're just sitting there collecting dust. So that is a ton of money in recurring revenue every month that I can get for doing basically nothing. So if you have any products that you don't sell anymore, simply take them and put them at a massive discount, blast it out to your audience, your list, and a ton of people would buy that never would have bought in the first place. And if you want to be really smart, put it on a monthly recurring model. For instance, just one of these courses sold for $10,000. So imagine seeing for a couple years people buying a high ticket offer, and then all of a sudden it's 97 bucks a month. It's a no-brainer. Now maybe you don't have a high ticket offer like I do, and so you don't have that ability to create that, but you can literally take even small products that you've created, old courses, maybe you changed business models, maybe you got into a different industry, you can still take those and liquidate them. The second way, and this is really cool, you extract products from your existing products to create Black Friday offers. So let's just say you sell a program that's $1,000, $2,000, and it's like an online course or mentorship program. Clip just 1 or 2 lessons out of it that solve a specific problem and blast that out for, say, $47. What's gonna happen is your people are going to buy that offer and they're gonna get a taste of your more expensive offer. And then what you can do is on the next page, you can do an upsell where they get that offer for a minor discount, but still a discount. And then you follow up with them over the next several days and get them into the main program. Pro tip, create a separate membership area for this specific offer, and below it put, did you love this lesson? Join XYZ program, our flagship program that gets XYZ results. And now you have not only made some money, but you just showed them a taste of your program, and now they're like, oh my gosh, I didn't know it was this good. I better buy the full thing. I did this one year and it absolutely crushed for a $5,000 offer. We sold an extraction of it for 47 bucks, and a bunch of people bought the 5K offer within a week after. All right, so here's another great method. Create products that don't exist. For instance, you could say, hey guys, I'm gonna launch this offer on how to do this, or it's an online course, or it's a coaching membership, or a 12-week boot camp or whatever. After the first of the year, we're gonna sell it for $12,000. But for Black Friday, you can get it for just $5,000. Now, people are buying this $5,000 offer that doesn't even exist yet. And they're buying it in November, forgot what month it was. So now you have like 2 months to put this thing together and get it ready to go. And if nobody buys it, you don't have any work to do. But if a bunch of people buy it, boom, you go make it, you draw it out, make a little workbook, do a virtual seminar, put together your slides and make your online course, whatever it is. And honestly, the possibilities with this are endless. You could do everything from an event coming up to a virtual event, to an online course, to a coaching program, a seminar, a retreat. And the fourth way is an ultra VIP offer. And I'm gonna explain this one while I'm awkwardly next to my girlfriend who's getting a massage. So this is how you do it. You call out your audience and you say, listen, I do one-on-one coaching, I do one-on-one retreats,
this
or
is not
my favorite, hold on baby. My favorite one is a day with Dan. So you do a day where they come out to your house or to an Airbnb and they consult with you all day, and you say, hey, I'm gonna do this for 20 grand starting in January, but for Black Friday you can get in for just 10 or 15. And now you're gonna have a bunch of people on your list that would have probably bought it anyway, but now they're seeing the Black Friday thing and the dopamine's kicking in and the FOMO and all the inner addiction drugs of our mind.
So relaxed.
And then they buy. And you could literally do all 4 of these methods and crush it with Black Friday.
I'm very tranquil.
You threw together a special offer for your fitness program. How much did you make? How many sales did you make last weekend?
Just 8.
8 times 3 is how much? 300, what is it, math? $2,700. You made $2,700 over the weekend. That is what I'm talking about. Yeah, $2,700, just like that. You don't have to have, Will, how big's your list? How many people do you have on your list? How many people?
A couple hundred people.
Couple hundred people. Guys, you don't have to be famous. You don't have to be an influencer. Couple hundred people. He made $2,700 over the weekend. You can do this. You can do it. No, you can do it right now. You can do it right now. The moral of the story is take action, guys. At the end of this video, which is in just a few seconds, I want you to go out and make a Black Friday offer. Just put it out there. Just literally post it and say, I'm gonna do this thing for Black Friday. Somebody's gonna say, hey, I'm in, and then go figure it out and make the money so that you can buy expensive Snoopy art for no other reason than just to be unique and awkward and weird. Who has Snoopy art? This guy? Why? Because I make Black Friday offers! Oh, 8 times 3 is 24. Okay, don't buy an accounting course from Will. Look, the main thing I'm trying to get across here is take action. Go right now and do it. You can do it. There's cash, there's money out there for you. And here's one more bonus tip. If you put together a Black Friday offer and it crushes, and then next year you're like, oh my gosh, what do I put together? Just run it again. One year for Halloween, I put together an offer and it crushed. It did about $195,000. And the following year, I was traveling and I totally forgot that it was Halloween coming up and I had no time to put together an offer. So I thought about just not running an offer at all, and then I was like, wait a minute, let me just turn the old one back on and maybe I'll make a few sales. So I literally go in, I turn the funnel on, I go into my ads dashboard, I literally just, the little toggle switch, I go flip, 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 and lo and behold, we did 150 grand. 150 grand, and I didn't change anything. And a bunch of people that bought last year bought again this year, and they just totally forgot that they bought, and a few people asked for refunds, but most people didn't even notice. And that's one lesson I learned from Grant Cardone is people don't remember. People will just buy and buy and buy again, because of the dopamine. Give me a deal. They just want the deal. They're not even gonna watch it half the time. They just want the deal. But for those that do, you could change their life, and it could end up being one of your best clients. So this Black Friday, take your shot. Oh, and if you want to check out my Black Friday funnel to, funnel hack me, I'll put it in the description. All jokes aside, guys, I really hope this helps, and smash that like button so that YouTube shows this to more people. Love you guys. Subscribe, all that jazz. See you in the next one.